Welcome to the Fuchun Tyre Factory. Here, every inner tube undergoes precision manufacturing and rigorous testing. Today, we'll take you deeper into our inner tube inflation, deflation, and storage testing processes. Watch how we meticulously ensure quality. Inflation isn't just for finalizing the shape. Here, each inner tube is precisely inflated to simulate the forces and pressures experienced in real-world use. This step is crucial for testing airtightness, uniformity, and elastic strength. Our quality inspection team strictly controls the inflation pressure and stores the products at a specific pressure for several hours. Any minor leaks, bubbles, or deformations will be detected and removed immediately during this stage. After inflation, the inner tube undergoes the deflation and resting phase. Deflation not only restores the material's natural elasticity, but also helps test the rubber structure's stability after repeated inflation. This process ensures that every inner tube leaving the factory maintains reliable performance under high temperatures, heavy loads, and long distances. In inner tube manufacturing, every detail is crucial. Fuchun Tyre utilizes rigorous inflation and deflation testing to ensure product durability and safety in the global market, truly achieving factory standards. Fuchun Tyre has been specializing in inner tube manufacturing for 30 years. Durable, safe, and reliable, every inner tube represents our commitment to quality.